I just went out to storage and got all of this Christmas stuff that I bought last year at the end of the season, and I was going to show you what I bought and how cheap it was. So let me turn you up to the table and we'll go through all of this. I'll show you what I got and tell you what I paid for it. So I wanted to do white and silver this year, so I got this beautiful silver tree skirt. It's really pretty and it's just real gorgeous. So it's I don't know if you can see it really good, but it's white on the underside and it's real soft. It feels like a soft blanket. But look at the price. It was $49.99 and we got it for 90% off at the at-home store. It was 90% off. So there was that. And then I got 2 boxes of these white ornaments. They were $8.99 and they also were 90% off. So I got 2 of those. Here's the other one. And then I got one of these. This is just white balls that have, some of them are plain and some of them have glitter. Got those at the at-home store. They were $3.99 and we got them for 90% off. There are 16 balls in this and it was 90% off. And we got 2 of these white snowflakes. They are 24 pieces in each one. They were $9.99. Let's see. Yeah, they were $9.99. And of course, they were part of the 90% off as well. And they had these for 10 cents a piece. These were 10 cents a piece. They just sit in the window. I don't know why that's not. There we go. These were 10 cents a piece. Aren't they cute? I can't wait to put these in all of our windows. But they were at the at-home store too. It's the best time to buy these things. Uh-oh. Hold a second. I gotta go check on the dogs. Okay, so here's another box of stuff that we picked up at the at-home store. I got these. I got 2 of these. I was thinking that I would put these in the tree or on a wreath or as a tree topper or something. I'm not sure yet, but I thought they were beautiful. And they were $4.99. There we go. $4.99. And I got both of those in the 90% off section. We got Christmas fake snow. I really like this. It's the plastic kind. It's not that paper stuff. The only thing I'm worried about is sometimes when you use this stuff and it gets on your hardwood floors, it can be painful to clean up. But it was $3.99 and that was in the 90% off. And then here are these. I got 3 of these. The holiday bead garland in white. kind of white silver. $4.99. I got 3 of those, and they were 90% off as well. And then look at this star. It is so beautiful. It's like there's 3 layers or 4 layers. It is so beautiful. But it was $10.99 and it was in the 90% off too. Can you see that? Let me take it out of the box so you can see exactly what it looks like. I never change the color of my Christmas tree unless I can go to a store. Usually the at-home store, because they have such a good selection there. And their stuff goes on clearance super early. So, but I never change my Christmas tree color unless I can get it like dirt cheap. Okay. I don't know why that's showing up green, a little bit green, because it's not green, it's white. Okay, now you can see. It is so beautiful. So, anyways, that was $10.99 on clearance for 90% off. And then I got these. I thought these were gorgeous. Are those not pretty? I love them. So they were $2.99. And they were in the 90% off as well. They are so pretty. And I got 4 of those. So yeah, that's one box. This is the first box that I came across. I'm not sure what else we have or what else I'll use, but this was the main stuff that I wanted inside the house. So as I go through and find other things, I'll show you what all we have that we got very, very, very cheap. That's what you have to do, is you have to go and buy this stuff at the end of the season and buy it at the end of the season when you can get it for practically nothing. Okay, anyways, so I bought 20 of these so I could put them in all of the windows. And that's just this first box. This is just the first box. I bought so many things from there when everything went on sale, because I knew that I wanted to change the color of my Christmas tree this year. And so I waited until everything went on sale and paid hardly nothing for it. So I got 2 of these. These are beautiful. They just fan out like that. I got 2 of those. They were $4.99. There we go. They were $4.99, 90% off. I got 2 of them. So yeah, that's it for our Christmas stuff that we picked up last year on clearance. But if you can just save back just a little bit of money from Christmas and just wait right there till the end when everything goes on clearance, then you can go and shop at, I know for sure, the at-home store, because that's where we go every year. Well, when we lived in our RV and we were traveling, I didn't go there and shop. But when we bought this farm, I started going back to the at-home store and getting stuff for our Christmas tree and for the house or whatever. But at Christmas time, when Christmas is about a week out, they start putting their stuff on clearance. Some of it 75% off. it goes up pretty quickly, and they have a ton of stuff to choose from. And for me, I like to change the whole thing. So top to bottom, from the tree, from the top to the bottom, I want to change the whole thing. And the only way that I can afford to do that is if I wait until everything is super clearanced and I can go and buy the things that I want to change up my color for next year. And a lot of times I'll give that other stuff to our kids if they're wanting to change up their tree, or if they just want to borrow whatever color. I've given a lot of different colors to our kids, but they love that, and I love sharing it with them. And next year, well, when Christmas is about to be done this year, I want to go and get everything for the Christmas tree, this time in red. I haven't done red in I don't know how long, but I do want to do red. And I wouldn't mix it with anything. Like, I don't want gold or silver or anything like that mixed with it. I want red from the top to the bottom. So, anyways, we'll see how that works out and what I can find when I go to the at-home store this year. Probably in the next week or so, I'll start going over there. There's one close to our house, so I'll start going over there and figuring out the red for our Christmas next year. But save you back a little money, just a few dollars, and if you're wanting to change up the colors on your Christmas tree, and go for those clearance items. But I know for sure that if you live in an area where there is an at-home store, and I'll put a link in the description box, that is the best place that I've found to go for clearance items that has the most selection. They have a big selection of their clearance stuff. So, yeah. Thank you for taking the time to watch our videos. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified when a new video has been uploaded. Also, be sure to stop by our channel for a fun Christmas DIY every day at 9 a.m. Eastern Time from December the 12th to December the 23rd.